everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the herringbone stitch. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on that bell for an email notification. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description section where I leave links for all the different threads and tools, anything I use within this video. If you want to share these videos, please do. Let's get stitching. For my herringbone, I'm going to move from the right to the left. I'm going to bring my needle up. I'm going to take my first stitch below, but slightly to the left. Do a horizontal stitch across. And now I'm going to go to this side. Horizontal stitch across, horizontal stitch across. And I can make these wider, farther apart, or I can make them closer together. Now if I want to do them closer, I'm going to bring these I can change how wide I make this horizontal stitch. I can make it much wider. You can see how you can change. Stay with me because I'm going to show a couple of variations on this. You can also try this on a thicker thread, of course, or one of the threads like an Aurora that has some pile to it. That also will change how it looks. Okay, so now I can thread this. And the way I do that is I come up, I go around this one, and I just thread it. This is the herringbone done in Oriental Linen. I thought I had the camera turned on and I did not. I used two different Oriental Linen threads for it. This for the ladder bone, this for tacking down the X. I think that's quite pretty. I'm going to show you the herringbone done in a number 3 eleganza. I'm threading that up on a size 18 chenille. Moving from right to left, my first stitch. Second, come across, so there's that in the number 3, and I'm going to do the little stitch across the X in a number 5 EZM 90. To do the X part, I go left to right, and I just make my little vertical stitch through where it crosses. Now, another thing that I could do is I could do a little bouillon knot here. That would be another way to sort of add some interest to this. Add another element to this stitch. I think this stitch in combination with others could be really quite stunning, and I do like it smaller and in a thicker thread. So there it is in the Eleganza number 3, and then with the number 5 going across, up and down, and then this is the Oriental Linen, which is pretty. This is the Silken Pearl, and it's just quite different when it's stretched out like that, as opposed to when it's much smaller. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting, and maybe it got you thinking as to how you might apply this stitch to one of your projects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell for email notifications, leave me comments in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description section. That's where I'm going to leave links for all the threads that I've used here in this video. Until next time, here's to stitching together.